Assalamualaikum grade 9. How are you today? Hopefully you are all fine. Okay. Today we will learn about communities. Page 25. So here you will learn about past, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Just pay attention because this one will be out as your PTS. Okay. So we learn about present perfect and the present perfect continuous. What is the difference? Sometimes there is no difference in meaning. Okay, kadang-kadang artinya nggak ada bedanya. We use both of these tenses to finish and unfinished action. Nih dia, we use both the present perfect simple. Kalau present perfect rumusnya have atau has plus past participle. Past participle itu apa sih? Verb bentuk ketiga. Contoh, verb aja itu eat. Verb bentuk kedua itu ate. Verb bentuk ketiga eaten. Verb 1 itu drink. Verb 2 itu drank. Verb 3 drunk. Jadi yang kita pakai di sini we use past participle which is verb 3. Oke. Verb 1 kalau regular itu gampang. Verb 1 play. Verb 2 played. Verb 3 played. Kalau regular gampang ya karena cuma tambahin dd aja di belakangnya. What else ya? Sing. This one is irregular verb. Verb 1 sing. Verb 2 nya sang. Verb 3 nya sang. Swim, swam, swam. Drink, drank, drunk. Fly, flew, flown. So that one is present past participle. Oke. Jadi kalau yang present perfect pakainya have atau has sama past participle. If present perfect continuous, kalau ada continuousnya have atau has plus been plus ing. Namanya present participle. Kalau bentuk ketiga namanya past participle. Kalau bentuk ing namanya present participle. Contoh, sing, sang, sang, singing. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking. Walk, 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 walking. Run, ran, run, running. Apalagi? Begin, began, began, beginning. Tahu ya? Jadi kalau past participle itu bentuk verb yang ketiga, kalau inform namanya present participle. Oke. Jadi sebenarnya kejadiannya masih tetap connected dengan sekarang. Focusing on result or activity, the present perfect usually focus on the result. Kalau present perfect continuous usually focus on the activity. Jadi kalau present perfect resultnya, fokusnya. Kalau present perfect continuous itu activity-nya. Ini contohnya, oke? Present perfect and present perfect continuous. Nih ya, di praktis 5. Present perfect continuous sama present perfect. Kalau present perfect continuous, we've been. With itu sama dengan we have. We've been collecting. Kalau di present perfect aja, we've collected. Ingat, tadi kalau di present perfect continuous, we are focusing on the activity itself. Tapi kalau di present perfect, we are focusing on the result, hasilnya. We've been collecting money for their restoration. Yang kita fokus adalah activity-nya. Activity-nya apa? Kita collect money. Ya kan? Untuk apa? Oh, untuk pembetulan rumah. Untuk restoration. Tapi kalau di present perfect, we have collected 300 pounds. Hasilnya, resultnya, setelah kita collect, setelah kita ngumpulin uang, ternyata ada 300. Yang kedua, we've been planting new trees in our area. We've been planting. Activity-nya yang kita fokusin. Aku udah nanam pohon loh, gitu. Ya kan? Jadi activity-nya. Nah, kalau di present perfect, I've planted more than. Resultnya, aku udah nanam pohon lebih dari 100. Clear ya? Jadi yang satu fokus ke activity-nya, yang satu fokus ke resultnya. Jangan ketukar, karena nanti kalau di PTS ada soal seperti ini. Oke, ini grammarnya yang barusan kita bahas. Kita coba bahas ya. Nomor 1. I haven't slept for 2 nights. Think about the girl I met in the summer camp. Pakainya present perfect continuous. Jadinya I've been thinking. Okay. Mike is exhausted. He cut wood for the fire. Pakainya present perfect continuous. Jadi isinya Mike is exhausted, titik ya. Nah, he sama cutnya yang we need to change with the present perfect continuous. Kalau he pakainya has. Has he been cutting wood for the fire? What's the latest news? We have been, pakainya not watch. Jadi ya, we haven't been watching TV all week. Okay, so that is how you arrange, how you put have been and ing. The last number 5. Why do you want to join the Scouts? You read about them. Kalau kata tanya, jadi yang di depannya apa? Have atau has? Kita lihat dulu subjeknya. Subjeknya ada you. Jadi kalau pakai you, we use have. Have you been reading about them? Okay. So I think that one for our lesson today, it's so simple, but if you don't study this one, you may get mixed up. Nanti jadi lupa karena present perfect sama present perfect continuous bedanya cuma di been aja. Okay, let's practice more. Di sini we can use for and since. Tapi tetap sama ya, we still focus on the result or the activity. She's been watching TV for 4 hours. She's been, ada koma S itu artinya she has. Boleh ditulis disingkat, boleh langsung ditulis she has. She has watched 3 films. She has been watching artinya activity-nya. Dia sedang nonton tuh, gitu kan. Selama 4 jam. Tapi kalau she has watched 3 films, hasil dia nonton selama 4 jam apa sih? Oh, dia udah nonton 3 film. Oke, ngerti ya? Mary is watching TV. Watch TV for 4 hours, watch 3 films. Itu yang nomor 1. We are in the garden, work very hard, plant 10 new plants. Jadi, we have worked very hard in the garden. We have been planting 10 new plants. Ngerti ya? My parents are tired. Jog, run 5 miles. Jadi gimana bikinnya? My parents have jogged. My parents have been running 5 miles. Kenapa orang tua saya capek? Ya karena habis jogging aja. Kenapa sih? Kok kayaknya orang tua kamu capek banget? Iya dong, karena habis lari 5 miles. Jadi ada resultnya. Jelas ya. Pete's hands are dirty. Collect litter, not wash his hands. Jadi, kita rubahnya seperti apa? Pete has been collecting litter. Pete has not washed his hand. Okay, so you need more practice. Hati-hati ngerubahnya kayak gimana. Ya, you need to be more careful. Okay, thank you grade 9. Stay healthy, stay safe. Take vitamins and take care. See you soon. Wassalamualaikum.